Okay, let's make some Cajun chicken pasta. We're going to have minced garlic, heavy cream, chicken breast, green peppers, onions, red peppers, andouille sausage, and blackened seasoning. We're going to season the chicken, cut up the onions and green peppers. Now we're going to put them in the pan with some minced garlic. Here we go. Crushed tomatoes. There we go. Heavy whipping cream. Enough. Add some chicken broth. You're going to lightly season with the Creole seasoning, salt and pepper to your tasting. I don't measure anything, y'all know this. After it thickens, we're going to put the noodles and the sausage in, plate it, add some Parmesan cheese.